Sure, here's a 2,000-word YouTube video script tailored for your channel, Drive Trend, focusing on the 2025 Mazda 3. It avoids formal headings or host intros, maintaining a natural, engaging tone perfect for YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to Drive Trend. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mazda 3 and trust me, this one's worth your time. Whether you're into sleek design, performance, tech, or just love seeing how cars are evolving, the 2025 Mazda 3 delivers on every front. So, buckle up, and let's see why this compact car keeps turning heads year after year. First things first, Mazda didn't just tweak a few things and call it a new model. The 2025 Mazda 3 builds on its already impressive DNA and refines what drivers love most about it. It's not a complete overhaul, but honestly, it didn't need one. Mazda knows when to evolve instead of reinvent, and that's exactly what they've done here. Let's talk about design. Mazda has always had that premium look and feel, even in their more affordable cars, and the 2025 model is no exception. That Kodo design language is still alive and well, but it's matured. The lines are sharper, the grille is more defined, and those LED headlights look like they were lifted off a concept car. Depending on the trim, you get new wheel designs in a few fresh colors, including this deep crimson red that looks absolutely stunning in the sunlight. You don't usually hear people call a compact car beautiful, but with the Mazda 3, it fits. One thing Mazda nails every single time is the way their cars feel. There's a subtle sportiness baked into everything, the way the car sits, the way the doors close with a solid thunk, and even the steering wheel texture. Step inside the 2025 Mazda 3, and you'll immediately notice how upscale it feels compared to its rivals. We're talking soft-touch materials, minimalistic design, and a driver-focused layout that actually feels intuitive. The infotainment system has finally been upgraded. One of the main complaints in the past was the lack of touch functionality, and while the rotary dial is still here, which some drivers actually prefer, the new screen is sharper, faster, and now offers better smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and wireless functionality is available on most trims. And if you're into sound quality, the Bose premium audio system is still one of the best in this segment. Honestly, you'll find yourself wanting to take the long way home just to enjoy your playlist. In terms of comfort, the 2025 Mazda 3 continues to balance sporty feel with daily usability. The seats are supportive, perfect for longer drives, and the rear seat space, while not class-leading, is decent enough for adults on shorter trips. Trunk space is pretty solid for a compact car, especially if you go with the sedan over the hatchback. And speaking of that hatch, if you're into versatility and cargo flexibility, the Mazda 3 hatchback is still one of the most stylish and functional choices out there. Now, let's get into what really matters, performance. The base engine is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder that delivers around 191 horsepower. But if you want more excitement, Mazda still offers the turbocharged version pushing up to 250 horsepower on premium fuel. And yes, it still pulls like a sleeper. That turbo engine is smooth, quick, and has enough torque to make you forget you're driving a compact car. Whether you go front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the 2025 Mazda 3 feels planted and confident on the road. The steering is responsive, body roll is minimal, and the suspension does a great job soaking up bumps without feeling floaty. Mazda's always prioritized driver engagement, and it shows. This isn't just a car that gets you from point A to point B, it's a car you actually enjoy driving. Fuel economy is solid across the board, too. The non-turbo models are especially efficient, making the Mazda 3 a smart choice for commuters or anyone who wants to keep fuel costs down without compromising on style or performance. And for those of you wondering, yes, the 6-speed automatic is still here. No CVT. That's a win in itself. Safety-wise, Mazda continues to offer an impressive suite of driver assistance features. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist,